Your question is prove by mathematical induction for all n belongs to your natural number. What they have given? 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus up to so on up to n is less than 1 by 8 2n plus 1 whole square. So here you can see they have given you what? Inequality. Okay. So first we will take this as Pn. Next we have to prove that Pn is true. For that what we have to take? We have to take n is equal to 1. Now if you see from here 1 to n, 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n, what is the formula for summing up of that? In AP we have learnt in 10th class. That is nothing but n into n plus 1 by 2. And here comes your less than and 1 by 8. Here comes your 2n plus 1 whole square. Now, just n is equal to 1. So here what you will get? 1 plus 1 is 2. 1 into 2 by 2. That is equal to 1. And at the RHS what you will get? 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 square is 9. 9 by 8. That is equal to how much? 1.1 something. And we know that 1 is less than 1.1. Yes. That means Pn is true. Next we have to take what? N is equal to k now. Now substitute the value here. What you will get? K into k plus 1 by 2 is less than 1 by 8 and here comes 2k plus 1 whole square. 2k plus 1 whole square. Now, so at it is an inequality and they have given less than. That means that what? As we have learned in previous classes, that if A is less than B and B is less than C, then A is also less than C. Now, next step is that we have to go for k plus 1. 1 by 1. K plus 1. Substitute this value in LHS only. Here. So if you substitute this value instead of k plus 1, what you will get? Here you will get k plus 1 and here it will be k plus 1 is 2 by 2. Now solve this. If you solve this, what you will get? K square plus 3k plus 2 by 2. And if you solve this previous one, what you will get? You will get k square plus k by 2. Now compare this. If you compare this, what you will get? You will get what? K is there, 3k is there. That means 2k is extra here. And here constant is not there. Here 2 is there. That means what? Plus 2 by 2. That is equal to, we can say, it's k plus 1. That means what we have done? Just we have added up k plus 1 in front of this value. No, in front of this value. So therefore it will be what? It will be k into k plus 1 by 2 plus k plus 1. So if you add k plus 1 here, at RHS also you have to add k plus 1. So here it will be 1 by 8 2k plus 1 whole square plus k plus 1. Now if you see, this is added up in your original question. That means the situation less than will not get changed. As we know that if you add or subtract or divide or multiply by the same number or the same digits, the situation remains the constant. Now, so here it is what? This is your A now. A. And this will become your B now. Now comes to your C. How we will form C? So we will form the C from here. Just instead of k, we have to write k plus 1. Therefore, it will be what? 1 by 8, and here it is 2k plus 1 whole square. That is equal to, we can say, is 1 by 8 and 2k plus 2 plus 1 whole square. That is equal to 1 by 8. It will become 2k plus 3 whole square. So this is your C now. Now we have to compare B and C. We have to compare it. So B should be less than C, or B should be equal to C. Then only A is less than C. Now we will solve it. So if you solve this, what you will get? 2k plus 3 whole square is what? 4k square plus 12k plus 9 by 8. So this is your C now. C. And if you solve B, what you will get? You can see here 8 is the answer. So here it will come 4k square plus 4k plus 1. So here comes what? 8 into k is 8k plus 8. If you solve this, what you will get? You will get 4k square plus 4 plus 8 is 12k. 8 plus 1 is 9 by 8. So this is your B now. If you see, both are equal. That means B is equal to C. Therefore, C is greater than A, or you can say A is less than C. So now we can say PK plus 1 is also true. Is also true. Therefore, we can write it as Pn is true for all n belongs to your natural number.